Hello and welcome to a new CrocFIX video tutorial. So I'm having here the Samsung Galaxy A57, the newest of the A series. And what is the problem? The problem is the phone is locked. So if you forgot your PIN number, your pattern to draw or your password, then you are in the right place. On the CrocFIX channel, I will show you how to unlock your phone again. So keep in mind, you will need your Gmail account and your password to unlock the phone, and after all data on the phone will be unfortunately deleted. So there is no way around, there is only this procedure which can unlock and make your phone accessible again, okay? So yeah, I put really a lot of time and effort in these videos. If I could help you and save you some money, maybe you can donate something for a coffee. The donation link is in my video description. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's go. So what you need to unlock the phone is the phone itself, and then it must be connected to a device, to your computer, notebook, another phone, tablet or something, because it needs a signal here, okay? Otherwise you can't unlock it. So the procedure is following. We connect this one here to the phone, and then the other one to the device. A charger won't work. So now we need to do a key combination here, and the key combination is following. We need to press volume up, volume down and the power button, all three buttons at the same time, okay? So we press these three buttons at the same time and wait till the phone restarts. And when the phone restarts, you will release the volume down button, but keep holding volume up and power until you see the Samsung and then the Galaxy, and then you release. Alright, so let's go. So first turn on the screen so you see when we restart. Press all three buttons, keep them holding, still keep them holding, holding, still keep hold. Now release volume down, and now release the other two when you see Samsung Galaxy. And let's wait, hopefully it will work for the first time. It did work. Okay, unplug the cable, and now we are in the recovery menu, and we go with the buttons here on the right. We go down and click on wipe data factory reset, confirm with the power button, and here it says, are you sure all data will be deleted? Yes, we are sure, there is no other way. We go down to factory data reset here and confirm again with the power button. So this is done now. Now we click on reboot system now and confirm here. Reboot system now, confirm with the power button. So the phone will now restart to the Android system, and you will need to activate the phone. So you connect it basically to your Wi-Fi, and then it will ask you for the PIN number or pattern again, but you will have the option there, use my Google account instead. And then you click on that and enter your Gmail and password, which was associated with this phone. So it must be the first Gmail, the main account which is in the phone, other Gmails won't work. And then you can activate the phone and use it again. So let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you want to say thank you, if you have any questions or anything else. And I hope to see you in the next video. Your CrocFIX. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.